Recently just ordered this PRS SE Swamp Ash Special, and let you hear a little bit of what it's like. So this is, I'm going to put it in single coil mode. So this is the neck pickup. Here's the neck and middle single coil mode. Here is the middle pickup. Here is middle and bridge. And here is just the bridge. Now here's the bridge in humbucking mode. Here is bridge humbucking with middle. Here is neck and middle humbucking. just the bridge, or excuse me, just the neck. So I think this guitar really gives a lot of versatility. I made a little change. These pickups aren't the stock pickups. They're very similar output, but they're Planet Tone Memphis Historical spec pickups, which are a bit underwound vintage humbuckers that give some more highs, maybe like you might find in a 335. And they split really nice. And yeah, it just sounds very stratty when you want it to, but it's got the humbucking tones and the combination tones when you need them. So if the PRS was intended to be a blend between, you know, a Strat and like a humbucking guitar, I think this is the guitar that nails that sound better than any PRS I've heard.